Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Audi Q3 old vs new full comparison. Pay close attention to exterior cues and how subtle changes affect presence. I'll walk you through front fascia updates, lighting differences, and revised wheel options. We'll also discuss how these styling shifts influence perception and resale. Stick around for quick visuals and practical takeaways to help decide if the refresh matters for your next purchase or lease. Let's move inside to the cabin and tech where changes matter daily. I'll describe screen sizing, menu logic, and tactile feel so you know what's truly new versus tweaked. Notice upgrades in material quality, seating comfort, and sound insulation that change the daily drive. I'll also compare connectivity options and ease of use for phones and apps, helping you decide which interior best matches your lifestyle and gadget needs. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers on drives and trips, and they make snacks neat and stress-free. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want to grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover performance and efficiency differences between the two Q3s to see what really changed under the skin. I'll explain engine response, transmission behavior, and how suspension revisions affect handling and comfort. We'll compare fuel economy and practical performance for city and highway driving to give realistic expectations. By the end, you'll know if the newer tuning delivers meaningful gains or if the older setup still holds up well for typical use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.